wanted to open a restaurant. Always talked about it with my mom, but it's like, what are you gonna do? Another burger joint? One day driving I-5 South past Lake Union, it just clicked like, wait, what do you love the most when you're in Israel? Hummus. You can't get that here. You do not get that taste of Israel. There's this emptiness inside of you that can't be filled with anything else but hummus. And that's what I set out to do, is get that hummus here. So my parents moved from Israel to Seattle to pursue the American dream. So this is home for me. I don't really consider myself a chef. I definitely would say I'm more of an entrepreneur. It's a big undertaking to open up any business, let alone a restaurant. You're not just a chef, you're a plumber, you're a carpenter, you're doing electrical. You have to know it all. I'm not formally trained. Everything I know in the kitchen, I learned from my mom.
מה נשמע?
הכל בסדר. מה זה?
עוגה. All of our passion in our home is food. Life just always evolved around the dinner table, and we love to cook and we love to bake. One day when he said, I want to open up a restaurant, my husband and I were just completely floored because we had no idea that, he was thinking about this. We said, a restaurant? Do you realize how hard it is? And you'll be married to the restaurant. And he says, I know, I've thought about all that. And I want to open a humsiya because there isn't one. And I want to show people and teach people that hummus is not just a dip that you eat with carrots. Hummus is a way of life. We went on a trip together a few years ago to Israel, and then I came back to the States and he stayed. He was there for a couple of months and he mentored there and he learned everything he needed to know.
Yeah, cheaps for sure. I went to Israel and I ate at every single hummusiyah, took notes, which flavor profiles I like. They're all a little bit different, but they all have the one thing in common, and that's that smoothness. So as soon as I got back, it was a matter of just making hummus every single day until one day, take that spoonful of hummus and it just brings you back to Israel. You're just like, wow, that's it.
David and I got this juicer on our honeymoon in Israel. We would go to the shuk, and the shuk is the market where you buy all your fresh fruits and vegetables, and every one of the stands has this juicer. When I tasted David's hummus for the first time, I was nervous because it had been built up so much, and I knew this flavor from home, from Israel, and I wanted it to taste just like it does over there. Perfect.
What does that taste like to you?
Like home.
For those that are from Israel, it takes them back home. And for those that have never been, they get to experience it for the first time.
It was very, very gratifying to find that he wanted to keep our heritage going and bring our culture into Seattle.
What Seattle's done for me is allowed me to take a big gamble on trying a new cuisine that could have been hit and miss. It might not have clicked. I was hoping it would because of the foodie scene in Seattle, and it turns out, thankfully, that I was right.
I was like, that's my expensive vitamin energy bar.
I'll buy it too.
Here.
As someone who makes food for another, there's no better feeling than knowing they enjoy it, and that's exactly what I wanted. When you come in here on a busy day, you see people from all walks of life. You see a family of Israelis over there. You see some hipster foodies over here. You've got it all. All races, religions, everyone is coming together literally to break bread together. You take the pita, you rip it, you throw it back in the basket, and you wipe up the hummus and enjoy. So it's bringing everyone together, and that's what I'm all about. That's what I'm saying. It's hummus. It's not hummus. Hummus you get at the grocery store.